Hey guys, you know what is that one thing that we find the most annoying? The itchiness on our skin, and it can happen to anyone anytime. And we often end up scratching the skin, making it even more difficult to heal. But what if I told you that I have got some easy and quick home remedies that can soothe your itchy skin? Yes, that's right. Let me tell you about it. Baking soda is such a versatile ingredient that it is used for almost everything. But guys, it can even help you get rid of itch on your skin. For our first remedy, the ingredients that we need are lemon juice and baking soda. Let's take a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to it. So you must be knowing that baking soda is a natural antiseptic with antibacterial properties. Baking soda is an excellent home remedy for skin allergies. It removes skin rashes, relieves itching, and prevents further inflammation of the skin. Not just that, the antibacterial properties of baking soda help prevent the occurrence of breakouts on your skin. It also helps in getting rid of all kinds of itchiness and skin infections. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to it. Lemon juice is a common resolution for itchy skin. Its citric and acetic acids contain anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that contribute to itch relief. Lemon reduces the itching sensation while simultaneously preventing infection. But always do a patch test before you try it on your skin. If you have itching, then while bathing you can use a paste on your skin. Let's mix it well. Let's do a patch test now. It is quite grainy because of the baking soda. Once the patch test is successful, you can now apply it on your skin. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it. Do this daily and it will resolve your itching issues. You can do this twice or thrice a week. Now let's move to our next home remedy. Neem leaves is another superb medicinal herb, and did you know that it can even help you get rid of itchiness? For our next home remedy to treat itchiness, we will take some neem leaves and coconut oil. Let's take a bowl. Add 4 to 5 neem leaves to the bowl. The neem leaves are also a source of vitamin C along with antibacterial and antifungal properties. Neem's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help soothe itchy skin. It also gives a cooling effect on the skin and is beneficial for treating skin sensitivity. Let's add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil to it. Coconut oil reduces the presence of bacteria, fungi and viruses on the skin. This helps to eliminate the risk of infection caused by scratching itchy skin. Coconut oil has the natural ability to penetrate the skin quickly and efficiently, which can boost hydration, improve skin elasticity, fight itch, and reduce the chances of infection from this skin condition. Now let's mix this well. Crush it really well. Before you apply it on your skin, please make sure that you do a patch test first. I'm going to try it on my hand. Once the patch test is successful, you can now apply it on the affected area and leave it for 10 minutes before washing it. You can use this twice or thrice a week. Now let's have a quick recap. For our first remedy, we use lemon juice and baking soda. Let's mix it well. And then for our second home remedy, we made a paste using neem leaves and coconut oil. Crush it really well. Before trying these remedies at home, please make sure that you consult a medical practitioner to know what is right for you. Let me know which remedy worked for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.